Greetings. My name is Tim Morosky, the owner of Mabus Games and the creator of a Corrosion Kit modular assets available for the Unreal Engine. This is my newest kit, the Modular Mage staves, and just like my other kits, you select one of each piece. So we've got a gem, a staff, a foot, and a head. Holding the control key, you select each piece, bring them all in at the same time. And just go ahead and rotate this into place. And we'll group this just so we can get a better shot on the camera there. Alright, now all of these are set up so that you can use a bunch of different materials on them. So you're not limited to what's there by default. So if we hit our materials here, we can see a whole bunch of different options. So we've got silver and gold set right here. We're going to go ahead and change this up. In fact, let's do a duplicate so you can see the difference. Go ahead and grab this guy, drag another one, just holding Alt and dragging one out. We'll change this one. Alright, so this guy, we're going to change this to golden green. I've got several different kinds. So I'm going to go with the golden green. What is this? The shaft? Yes. Golden green shaft. Golden green foot. And golden green head. Where are we at here? There we go. And you can see the difference pretty clearly. We've also got the gems set up, so you can have different types. Let's go with black. There we go. We'll see just how cool these things actually turned out. So with the color variations and the staff pieces, you can make literal millions of variants. And another thing we've got set up, what is this? This one is light teal. Alright, so if we go to our materials, what good is a mage staff if it doesn't have a purple glow, right? We're going to go with our light teal. Now what I recommend doing here is right-clicking on one of these and creating an instance so that you don't change every one of these that you have in a scene. So I'm going to go ahead and create an instance here. We're just going to create a duplicate. And I'll name this Emissive. Although I'm sure I spelled that wrong. Yep. There we go. Alright, now with this set up, where'd you go? There you are. Just select that, place it onto here. I'm going to open up the material. All you have to do is change this to about 20, maybe a little less. Save, close, escape. You could probably go with like 10 or something like that, but it's got a real nice glow to it. Why not, right? Yeah, that's just about it, man. Oh, one more thing. You can still merge these. I'm going to Shift-G and ungroup that. We'll rotate it back over this way. So what you want to do here is select each piece. Grab this guy, that. Go to Tools, Merge Actors. Merge actors. I'm not going to replace the source right here. You can replace the source if you'd like. I'm not going to. I'm going to go to here, sample staffs, and I'll call this sample staff 22. Save. There's that. And we can tell that this one is made up of separate pieces, right? Just by selecting between the few, but here's an exact duplicate of this guy, and this is just one piece. So you can use that to make these a little more functional for you in game. Delete this guy. that. There we go. And there you have it. Modular Mage Staves. You can go ahead and follow me over on Twitch for my live stuff. You can catch me on YouTube doing tutorials from time to time. And of course, you can reach out to me on my Discord if you have any questions or concerns. All the relevant links will be in the description. Thanks for watching.